Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Play Store app not installing problem. Install loading problem on Play Store app. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, click on see all apps, find out Google Play Store or search Play Store, click on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Click on force stop, tap on OK. Now swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Now go to Google Play Store. Now install app. Now installing loading problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.